request Vibhu to talk about what Snapdeal is doing. Then we'll come back to the others on some of the other aspects which you would like to talk. Yes.
Thank you, sir. So essentially, if you look at the country, close to 1 billion people have, mobile phones, and a large portion of these people have a smartphone, and then they have apps sitting. So, if really, it's for banks and financial institutions to, the customer is there. He has a smartphone with 3G connectivity, and it's about you building appropriate products which are convenient to use, which are safe to use, that they'll be able to embrace, digitization of financial services and banking. So it's a big opportunity, and entrepreneurs and new companies have been able to, in some way, if I can use a word, disrupt the market for, let's say, taxi services, restaurant bookings, retail. Likewise, I think banks can truly innovate to really get get their customers who are willing to experiment, who have the infrastructure, which I say is a smartphone and with internet connectivity. And here are banks. I mean, it's for them to really put together appropriate products at their target group who can do it. Talking specifically from Snapdeal's perspective, I'll just share a use case of how we are trying to use technology to bridge. So, okay, Snapdeal is essentially an e-commerce marketplace which is connecting buyers and sellers. So we have close to 100,000 sellers. When I say a seller is a business. It could be a sole proprietorship, partnership, private limited, public limited. It needs to have a PAN number, TIN number, and a current account number. And you can register to start selling on Snapdeal. So we have close to 100,000 of these sellers, and you have close to 50 million customers on Snapdeal, of which we get a very large portion of them visiting Snapdeal every day and doing a lot of transactions. So Snapdeal has built a platform which you call as Capital Assist, wherein bankers, non-banking finance companies and banks, etc., can connect to that platform to finance these sellers with the 100,000 I'm talking about who are selling on Snapdeal. And you can finance them basis their transaction history, basis their ratings, basis their customer, the feedback from customers, basis their turnover, etc. So there are some very interesting metrics around which you can build a product program for financing small, medium businesses, which hitherto have really been under, have not been able to access for formal credit. So this is a new opportunity for banks to embrace.